In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the text tool in Brush Ninja, and we're going to create a word design. So up here I have my text tool. I have a couple of different fonts to choose from. I'm going to pick this one, I think. And then when I click on my screen, it'll have me enter my text. Now I'm going to animate a word, so I'm going to do each letter separately. So in this frame, I'm going to type the letter H, and we're going to go ahead and use that. I will pop it down on my screen right here. Now I want to modify it a little bit. So if I click on my H, there we go. I can make it a little bit bigger. I can decide on my line color. So I'm going to go with black, and then the fill color. I can pick from these colors, or I can change it, kind of customize the color. I'm going to pick this one, and that looks good to me. Now I'm ready to create a new frame. So I have two choices for creating a new frame. Down below here, I could either add a blank frame, or in this case, I want to continue on with my word. So I want to just duplicate this frame so that the H stays in my second frame, and I can just keep adding my letters. So notice I have two frames now. I'm going to go to this one, and I'm ready to put in my second letter. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to duplicate this letter because I like the style of it and everything. Oops. I'm going to move this over here, and then I'm going to just edit that letter. And let's pick a different color there. We're ready for my next frame. I'm going to duplicate again. I'm going to duplicate my letter. So I'm just going to move kind of quickly here. Whoop. Do a P, change the color, duplicate my frame again. I'm going to duplicate my letter again. It's not in a straight line, and that is okay. See, now I have H. We're going to duplicate one more time, and now I have my final letter. So we'll change that to a Y. And if I play this back, I've got a very simple animation here. Now I can start tweaking it and adding some different things to it. Let's say in my second frame, maybe I want to change some colors around. Let's go to my H, and let's see how this looks. So now I have colors that are changing. Another thing I can add is some shapes. This would be a little more exciting looking if I put some shapes into it. So let's add some stars. I can, of course, change all of these colors. So what was that? That was on this frame. Maybe I'll add some circles here. Change that color. Go back a couple. And maybe some hearts on this one. So let's see how that looks now. All right, watch the next tutorial to learn how to save and reopen.